I feel more sorry that we have non-visual listeners for this. I can't describe this picture. Cable room, the aesthetic taste of the person is reflected in the chair that we can see in the foreground. Because, whoa. Yeah. Anyway.
Previously on TWiT. Hands-on tech.
Today I want to talk to you folks about another laptop that I got the chance to play with. This is a budget-friendly laptop for the corporate person that's always on the go. It is the Lenovo ThinkPad L13 Yoga Gen 2.
All about Android.
We started the week off with Google going ahead and unveiling the Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro. And it was revealed that Google is aiming for the top-of-the-line premium level phone here.
Windows Weekly.
Panos tweeted, here's a little sneak peek of the new snipping tool for Windows 11.
This thing must be a Project Reunion app. Because what they've done is they figured out a way to bring modern UI to a legacy app. That's what this is. And that's what the new Paint's going to be. And then there was something else. I don't remember if they're...
And
they might be doing this.
Panos is pumped.
TWiT. Bring your brain. We'll do the rest.
That's what years of following Microsoft has done for you.
Yeah, and listen, it's so useful, like cocktail parties or in conversations with friends. It's like,
so what do you think of the new snipping tool?
I am the toastmaster. I'm so glad you asked me that question. I have literally been obsessing over it for the past 3 days.